Welcome back to the Car Explorer. Today, we're looking at one of the most sophisticated and luxurious RVs the world has ever seen, the Mercedes Motorhome 2026. This is more than just a motorhome, it's a rolling statement of prestige, blending Mercedes-Benz engineering with the comfort of a high-end residence. The moment it comes into view, you understand that it's not built for compromises. It's designed for those who want to travel far, live well, and arrive in style. The exterior immediately commands attention with a streamlined, aerodynamic silhouette that reduces drag while exuding elegance. The front end features the iconic Mercedes grille, finished in chrome with a three-pointed star proudly displayed. LED matrix headlights with adaptive beam technology sit on either side, delivering both beauty and exceptional visibility. The lower bumper integrates air intakes designed not just for style, but also for cooling and aerodynamic efficiency. Along the sides, flush-mounted windows and clean body lines create a seamless look, while integrated storage compartments are hidden in the design. Large, polished alloy wheels add to its commanding road presence, and a full-length retractable awning hints at the kind of lifestyle this vehicle is meant to support. Around back, sleek LED tail lights, a powered rear hatch, and a sculpted bumper finish off a design that is both practical and visually striking. Step inside, and it's clear this is a masterclass in interior design. The cabin blends modern luxury with intelligent space management. Soft-touch leather covers the seating, with contrast stitching and piping that speak to Mercedes' attention to detail. Real wood veneers, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient LED lighting set the mood for any time of day. The main lounge area features a convertible seating arrangement that transforms into a full dining space or an entertainment lounge with a large 4K smart display. The kitchen is a fully functional gourmet setup with induction cooktops, a convection oven, high-capacity refrigeration, and hidden storage solutions. The bathroom feels more like a hotel spa, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and touchless fixtures. At the rear, the master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam, dual-zone climate control, and panoramic windows that can be shaded at the touch of a button. Performance is every bit as impressive as the luxury. Power comes from a hybrid drivetrain that pairs a smooth, turbocharged diesel engine with an advanced electric motor system, producing a combined 500 horsepower. This gives the motorhome effortless acceleration and the ability to cruise at highway speeds without strain. The electric motor allows for short-distance, zero-emission travel, perfect for city entry zones and eco-sensitive destinations. The chassis is built on Mercedes' latest heavy-duty platform, featuring adaptive air suspension that keeps the ride level and comfortable even on rough terrain. Four-wheel steering improves maneuverability, and the all-wheel drive system ensures stability in all weather conditions. A suite of driver assistance features includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automated parking, and a 360-degree camera system for complete visibility when maneuvering. The onboard technology extends beyond driving aids. If you love in-depth car reviews and want to stay updated on the latest auto trends, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from Car Explorer *.